Hello everyone. Lenovo is best known for its laptops and smartphones, but it also makes various other products, including tablets and wearables. The latest product from the Lenovo Thinkplus Bluetooth speaker into a completely new segment in smart home devices. This smart Bluetooth speaker is priced at $30 and as the name suggests, it is a digital alarm clock that doubles up with a smart speaker and calling feature. You can get this product exclusively on Hekka.com. Moreover, if you purchase from our link and use the code MULTITECH10 to get an extra $10 off on order over $30, I will leave a link in description. Check that out. On Hekka.com, you will find a variety of cool stuff from electronics and smart products to home appliances and fitness equipment with different brands to choose from, which will become an online shopping platform for your daily life. While there are plenty of smart speakers in the market, a smart lock is a somewhat new concept. This device competes with the currently available smart speakers, offering the new functionality as a mirror digital clock, dual loudspeaker soundbox with mic, and actually I like the small screen. We have spent some time with the Thinkplus smart clock, and here is our review. So without a further ado, let's start with opening the box. First we have the user manual and then speaker itself. Next is a standard USB cable of 30 inches, just 3 physical buttons in the shape of plus and minus symbols, including the power button in the middle. On the side it has a charging port, on the back dual speakers. The bottom has rubber grips to keep the device securely in the place on a tabletop. On the whole, I like the understated and clean appearance of the device, with the ABS plastic body adding a bit of sophistication to a product that discreetly gets its job done. You can see time, alarm, and battery level functions at a glance. Very convenient to use, along with a 10-watt speaker and 2 passive radiators for sound. For connectivity, the Thinkplus Bluetooth speaker supports Bluetooth 5, built-in microphone, audio transmission, high-definition call, and talk without delay. To set the time, first double-click the middle button to enter the clock mode, then set the time with the help of plus and minus. Moreover, to set alarm, press the plus and minus at the same time to enter alarm setting. Then you need to set the timer accordingly. So let's set it up and wait for it. Yes, this is the alarm sound. You can stop it with middle button on single click. Now let's check the speakers, how it performs. To change the volume, long press plus or minus like this. The bass was a bit dull, while the upper mid-range and highs were a bit too harsh, leading to audible fizz. The small screen is largely made to serve as a clock face. The Thinkplus Bluetooth speaker was able to clearly hear and execute voice calls as long as we were close enough to the device. As such, we were happy with its abilities to work as a smart speaker and basic smart display. The Thinkplus doesn't have a very large speaker, but we were impressed with how loud it was. At the highest volume, it was loud enough to heard clearly in a small room. As such, it is suitable for a bedroom, kitchen, or a dining room. Sound quality is good enough with dual speakers, and we found the mid-range to be a bit too prominent and sharp. The Thinkplus might be fine for the occasional music track, but it's not considered if you intend to actively use the device for music. If you are in a market for a new bedside alarm clock, it might be worth investing in the Thinkplus for the additional smart functionality and capabilities it offers beyond being a clock. The display can be used for a limited number of functions beyond showing the time, while it does work as a speaker for both streaming media and Bluetooth devices. Sound quality is not very good. It's also a bit expensive for what it offers, in our opinion. I will leave a link in description if you wish to check the current price. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.